Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Karina Delgadillo and I am the face behind her secret lashes. I know a lot of people don't know what I look like, so this is me. So of course, as you see, I decided to make a YouTube channel. My YouTube channel is going to be dedicated all about lashing. Of course, there's going to be a lot of fun videos in between that. It's not just going to be like about lashes. So I want to bring you guys content that's going to be enjoyable, informative, and very fun. The reason being for my YouTube channel is going to be just helping other lash artists or those who are thinking about becoming a lash artist. I know whenever I first started, I thought just because I took a training I had to know everything already by then. Of course, that is not how it works. Lashing is a lot of time, dedication, and patience, of course. So I'm going to be putting a lot of lash content out. My lash content is going to come from my trainings that I do. So my trainings are very informative, straightforward, and helpful. I know I learned a lot from the trainings that I have previously taken in the past, so I kind of want to just be that for you guys. I know a lot of people do trainings, which is very helpful, but some people just might not have the money or the income to take a training that costs over $700, $1,000. You know, so this is where I come in. I always say that a lash artist doesn't know everything. I hope that I can help another lash artist as well looking at my channel. So this is the reason why I'm making my YouTube channel, like I said. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, like this video, and of course turn on your post notification to let you guys get notified whenever I post another video. I cannot wait, and I'm super excited to show you guys everything that I have learned. Alright guys, I will see you guys next time. You guys stay safe, especially during these conditions.